Okay, the first step to putting it all together was to create a pattern. We did that on our first video of this series. The pattern gave you a chance to replicate your techniques on the wooden dummy and slowly incorporate some attributes to help support those techniques. The next step is to create a loop. A loop is basically just a pattern that repeats itself over and over again, back to back. A good pattern would actually go from one side to the other, from the left side to the right side as you go through the pattern. The benefit to creating a loop would be that your body becomes very, very comfortable doing the motions, the mechanical motions of the pattern, and it gives you a better opportunity to incorporate and add more attributes. Attributes are the lifeline of techniques. That's what makes techniques work. So the more you can concentrate on attributes, the more beneficial your training will become. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate 3 loops. Here's a look at the first loop. Okay, let's look at the second loop. And finally, here's the third loop. Again, creating loops on the wooden dummy with your patterns can be very beneficial. First of all, it gives you a chance to keep the pattern flowing and moving repetitively, one after the other. And not only one after the other, but on the left side and the right side, which it gives you a chance to practice both sides and not be a one-sided martial artist. Three, and probably most importantly, as you develop the pattern, it doesn't become something you have to memorize. Your muscle memory takes over, and now you can really concentrate on incorporating and adding attributes to your pattern. Attributes are the backbone to techniques, and without them, techniques probably would fail. So again, loops are very beneficial, and if you can make a pattern into a loop, you'll only benefit from it on the wooden dummy. Okay, thanks for watching.